Hey foodies, welcome back to BDTasty. Today, we're diving into the ocean of flavor to cook one of the healthiest and tastiest proteins, salmon. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, I'm here to help you cook perfect salmon every time. Let's get started. First, let's gather everything you'll need. A salmon fillet, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and some fresh lemon. Pro tip, always pat your salmon dry. This ensures a crispy, golden texture on the outside. My favorite way to cook salmon is pan-searing. It's quick and gives you that perfect crispy skin. Heat a nonstick skillet with a tablespoon of olive oil. Once the oil shimmers, place the salmon skin side down and listen to that sizzle. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the skin is crispy and releases from the pan. Then, flip it and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Look at that golden crust. Absolutely beautiful. Next up, baked salmon, a foolproof method that's perfect for hands-off cooking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Place your salmon, drizzle with olive oil, and season with garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, and voila! You've got tender, flaky salmon full of flavor. Time to plate your masterpiece. Pair your salmon with roasted veggies, a fresh salad, or buttery mashed potatoes. Look at that, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and bursting with flavor. That's it for today's recipe. Whether you're team pan-seared or baked, this salmon is sure to impress. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell me in the comments your favorite way to cook salmon. Thanks for watching, and bon appetit!